Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. And if you're new right on over here, it's always a special welcome. And thank you so very much. All you were there with me from the beginning, manners and respect. Now today, I want to share with you just another way of making some fried dumpling. We have on the channel there, we have one that we use ripe plantain. That was a twist to the original authentic Jamaican fried dumpling. Now today we are doing some cornmeal fried dumpling, some Jamaican cornmeal fried dumpling. Okay, this is just another way where we can fry with dumpling. It is not the original way. Remember I said that it is not the original way, but it is a way that some people prefer. The way that I have there, it gives you soft, nice dumpling. Some people like the dumpling then with the crust on top of it and all of them something. So we're doing today some cornmeal fried dumplings. So right inside here, first your hands must be clean, all clean, properly tailored nails, all of that and all of that. Now I can't call out to camera girl today because it's sun behind a camera today and not camera girl. Okay, so inside here we have some flour, and I told you to sift your flour. Well, if you have the good, if you got the good pre-sifted one package, well fine, but always sift your flour. It gives you a better end result of your stuff. We have some cornmeal in here, so don't worry about the proportion. I'll leave for you in the description. So we are going to be putting in some baking powder, and I'll also leave that for you in the description of this video. Don't worry yourself about that. And this is double acting. It says double acting, but sometimes I not act no double, but this one says double acting. So if you're using double acting, whatever I put, you are to use I'll tell you how much if it's less. I think it would be less if you're using double acting, or if you're using the regular, you twice it. I will let you know in the description. We're going to be using a little salt. That's a must. Okay? And you know, say, make the salt go as enough as the baking powder. You'll see it in the description. Because you know me always are going to look on the salt. Now to this, we're going to be putting in some margarine or some butter. Oh yes? We're going to be putting in some margarine and some butter. Soft, nice margarine, and I'll be putting in like about that. And I'll leave for you in the description all that I use. So let's recap. We had our flour and cornmeal in there, and try to use a nice, pretty refined cornmeal. And we put in our baking powder, we put in our salt, and now we put in our butter. Try at all times not to forget to have excess flour in case your mixture goes too soft. Do not forget that, family. I say it to you, okay? Now, we are going to get this thing incorporated, properly incorporated. These dumplings are going to be golden yellow. Nice, and all of that, and you will see. So we are working in this fat into the flour, okay? We're working in the fat into the flour right here, and as you can see, the color of the mixture already. Working in all this flour. Do not let the flour be the butter or the margarine. We don't want this one frozen, you see? We want this one soft that it can work in easily. We are going to be using some milk. Water is always good. It doesn't matter. Fresh milk or water, whatever. So, you know, a little at a time, you know that by now. You don't want to get this mixture too much on the soft side, because we have half cornmeal and half flour. Now, this is not festival, you see? So we're not putting in any sugar into this, right? So if you want to put some sugar into this mixture, you can go ahead, but that sugar is going to change the texture of your dumpling mixture, okay? So if you want to put some sugar, you are on your own. You are doing that at your own risk, okay? So if you notice, we put when you put the pure flour, the dumpling nice, okay? But you know it has that binding. When you put the cornmeal with the flour, right, you get that sort of flaky thing going on. You see what I'm saying? So what we're going to know, we're going to finish kneading. You're going to see the texture of this mixture. You're going to see the result of the dumplings that we are going to get. You see how it's properly put together? Okay, so now that we have it together, we're going to be forming it into a nice little ball. You're not going to give this too much kneading, okay? Forming it into a nice little ball, and we're going to leave it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes with a clean tablecloth or a clean towel. You not have to damp, you not have to wet up, you not have to wrap nothing around it like when we did a thing they wrap up the jerk, seasoned up jerk chicken to put into the fridge. Nothing like that. You just cover it with a clean kitchen cloth or towel, okay? We soon come back. Okay, now family, we are going to be removing our cloth rag or what. What I want to say to you, I want to show you something about this dough. When we do flour only, when you notice when we knead it and we leave it to rest for a time, and when we come with, you notice what happened with this one? Can't do that. You don't have that amount of gluten in it. The cornmeal has in this, so it has the fiber. Okay, you notice? So therefore, when we fry this thing and it go down inside, and we eat, when you consume this thing, that is how it will be loose. Now when you use the flour only, you have it all stretchy. When the dumpling is fried with the flour only, you can squeeze up the dumpling and go on with all kind of things with it because it's just flour. This has the cornmeal, half flour, half cornmeal, fiber packed cornmeal fried dumpling. We're going to be right on over here. We are going to be deep frying these dumplings. Oil is being preheated on the medium. We now put dumpling them pan the iron up like we are roast breadfruit or jerk chicken. You can't do that, okay? Really low. So we're going to get the dough back together again, and we are going to be making some beautiful, some real beautiful little dumplings. I want to show you, remember, you can't do them. They are going to become maybe double in bulk, or they're going to, you know, they're going to be bigger because we use the baking powder. So we have got to make them a specific size. If you want them come big and broad, go ahead, but you want them to have the regular fried dumpling size. So we are going to be making these dumplings in style. Son behind the camera, could you catch me? We're going to be, look at this, you're going to be taking a small piece of the dough, look at me, right in here, and you're going to be, okay, this is flat, so you're going to just use just these things inside here. Is this the palm? I don't know this. Somebody said me I cook, I don't know me the parts of my body. Papa Jesus. So you're going to be just rolling until you get a point here and a point there. This is how we are frying these dumplings. This is a custom made, and you get it like that. Right into our oil here that is being preheated, and look at it right there. Hold it on them, the sun. Hold it on them. This is how you have it. Okay? You don't want the heat too high on this dumpling. Okay? We don't want them burn up and inside of them not properly cooked. One more for the record. One more for the record. In the palm of your hands. And you just roll. You just keep rolling. Rolling. A point here, a point there. Right in there. We're going to be going now, and we are going to be making a whole set of these dumplings. We are going to be frying them off on this medium heat. Shoot them up against sun, let them see the pace at which the dumpling should be frying. Okay, deep fat frying. And when we return, we are going to have some beautiful little set of dumpling. We are going to be opening those dumplings. We are going to show you inside that. Look, and of course we have to eat a cornmeal fried dumpling. Soon come. Okay, I'm back. I'm not finished, but I'm back. Not oftentimes I say to you, when we return, we are going to have it finished. But when I see the need to return, I've got to return you all. I want you all to get it. Camera son, shoot them up on the heat. This is how I want you want the dumplings to be frying. Okay? You want them to be frying. Look at this. And you're going to be using, I know, but I use no fork and stick the dumpling because you're not ready to eat it yet. The only time you must put fork on it is when you're eating these dumplings. We want them to be frying. These dumplings are very loving. You notice they're living really good, frying real nice and beautiful. We are frying them on that medium pace because the cornmeal takes a long time to cook. So we want the cornmeal to get cooked properly, and that is why we are deep fat frying them. We don't want no raw cornmeal. Friend, you hear from the show, you end up at hospital. So we are frying them at this pace on the medium. You see the colors that they are arriving so far, and them not finished yet. When we return, fiber packed cornmeal fried dumpling from Debbie down a yard. All done. This is what we have. All done. Okay? Now we want to taste one of these dumplings. But you must be very, very cautious. This has in a lot of cornmeal. So you're to give the dumplings time to cool when you take them from the oil. Do not eat them hot and they will burn your lips. Okay? Don't eat them too hot. The cornmeal holds the heat, so you have to give them some time. So let me open one of these dumplings for you. Look at them, all soft, all nice. I'm gonna taste but them really hot. You see inside there, all fried, all cooked. Now, if you have liked this video, and before I say that, somebody's gonna ask me, Miss Debbie, what you eat these with? Not a God Almighty thing. Nothing at all. A cup of tea or your juice. These are just so good to go. Please try them, family. You will see the difference. You will see the difference. You need nothing to go with these. They are just so flaky. They are more like croissants. So if you have liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Leave your comments below. Principled and decent. Okay? And in order to be a member of our post notification crew, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe, hit the bell, and as soon as you see the fried dumpling video them drop, please to comment. Today's post notification shout out. Now family, we don't want nobody feel no way. We've got to do our thing to how we put the videos up. So we have 2 post notification shout out today. One for the jerk chicken and the other person for the rundown Aki. For the jerk chicken, it is Adowa Selassie. Adowa Selassie, big up yourself. Manners and respect, you're on the Jamaican cooking journey. Selassie, your little daughter calling. And for the Aki rundown, it is Arlene Edwards. Arlene Edwards, manners and respect. I hope you like these dumplings. If you do, please let me know when you do them. So, like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. Once more, Debbie from Dongayard, bless, no stress.